Alrighty, so this is the exhaust. This is the exhaust, actually, or the muffler. It's honestly pretty decently like weighted, I guess, like compared to my Duke one, and it has this cute little cover on it. And how nice of them, they give me a baffle. So I paid $80 for this, like 83, I think. And to be honest, I probably should have waited, because this is, it feels kind of weird. But yeah, I later found one that was fit, or like $50 or $60, and yeah, it's literally the same exact thing. So I might return this when I get the other one, but yeah, so